We'll begin with the dry suit inside out and totally dry. And take a look at this sock. Dry on this side. Dry on this side. The other sock. Dry on this side. And dry on this side. Add some water. Just to the inside of the suit. And the other one. Now, let's take a look at these socks. This one is already leaking on the heel. Heel is visibly damp and there are droplets of water coming out of the heel. Running down the outside of the fabric. Take a look at the other sock. And this one is even more water coming out of its heel and water coming out of the toe as well. It's dripping from both of the toe